Assalamu alaikum, smart peoples. How are you all? Hope you guys are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Today we will see how to make an Google Ads account, and also we will see how to give access to your Google account to someone else. Okay, let's jump into the screen. So we can access to Google Ads account from the Google Apps here. So let's keep this circle little bit here. Here we can enter the Google Ads account from here, as well as we can also search just on Google ads.google.com. Mm, Here you can see the screen. If you have already the account, just sign in, and if you don't have the account already, just click on the start now button. Here you can enter your business name. Here the business name of your if you have in your website, or you specifically if you are running a local business or any services business, put the business name of you here. Put the business name here. Suppose my business name is what we can put here, hadiurlabs sample account 1. Okay, then you can see here your website. Put your website URL. We just grab any of type of website, let's say plumbing in New York. Suppose this is your business account, so just copy the URL and paste here, then click the next. Mm, After that, okay, click the next again, and here no need for any. Yes, you can, if you have YouTube channel you can link it. If you have phone number you can get that, but I'll suggest just skip from this script only. You can do these things after you create the account one by one. Again skip, again skip. Yes, leave campaign creation. Okay, here's the important one. When you come to this page, you have to fill your billing addresses, your country, time zone, currency. After you complete the billing addresses, just continue. Then you will re-enter to something like this dashboard. I have already my ad account, so I'm not creating again, but just creating for just filling up this form, continue button, and you will come to this dashboard. Here you can see your Google Ads account name and the ID. That's it. Okay, yes. Now, if you want to give your Google Ads account access to someone else, what you will do? Nothing hard. Just go on the settings, access and security. Then here you can see a plus icon type icon. Click the plus icon. Okay, now the interesting part. Here you can see email. So the person you want to give access to your Google Ads account, you will put his email here. Suppose I want to give access to this email with hadir@gmail.com. Okay, I want to give access to this email of my this Google Ad account. Then you can also set the timing from which date to which date uh, you want to give access to him. So you can set the timing. Then the access level. Here you can set the access level by your preference. Here you can see email only, billing, read only, standard, and admin. After you selecting your access level, yes, then just click the send invitation button. The person you will send this email account, he will receive the invitation in his Gmail. After he accept your invitation, he will just access your Google Ad account. That's it. Nothing complicated. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy this video and hope this video is helpful to you. And see you in the next one. Khuda Hafiz.